Fitness is more than just exercise. It's a journey of self-discovery, pushing your limits and building a healthier, stronger you. Are you ready to unleash your inner strength? Let's begin. We're about to embark on a journey together, exploring exercises that can be done anywhere, anytime, with no equipment needed. That's right, we're talking about the power of bodyweight training. Specifically, we'll be diving deep into the world of wall walks and other incredible shoulder exercises that will transform your upper body and core. But it's not just about physical strength. This is about building mental resilience, boosting your confidence, and feeling amazing in your own skin. Together, we'll break down these exercises step by step, making them accessible for everyone, regardless of your fitness level. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, there's a place for you here. Get ready to challenge yourself, celebrate your progress, and discover the incredible strength you have within. This is your journey, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's get started. The wall walk. Sounds simple, right? Don't let the name fool you. This exercise is a game changer when it comes to building serious shoulder strength and stability. It's like a moving plank that targets your entire upper body, including your shoulders, triceps, chest, and core. Why are strong shoulders so important? They're the foundation for countless everyday movements, from lifting groceries to playing sports. Strong shoulders also improve your posture, prevent injuries, and give you that sculpted, athletic look. The wall walk is unique because it forces your muscles to work together in perfect harmony. As you walk your feet up the wall, your shoulders and triceps engage to support your body weight. Your core kicks in to stabilize your entire body, preventing any unwanted arching or sagging. This exercise is a true testament to the power of bodyweight training. It's challenging, effective, and can be done anywhere with a wall. No fancy equipment needed, just you and your determination. In the next section, we'll break down the wall walk step by step, so you can start building those powerful shoulders today. Ready to conquer the wall? Here's how to perform a wall walk with proper form. First, start in a plank position. Place your hands shoulder width apart on the floor, about 2 to 3 feet away from the wall. Step back, engaging your core and keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Next, walk your feet up. Slowly walk your feet up the wall, 1 foot at a time. As you walk, your body will naturally move closer to the wall. Then, engage your core. Keep your core tight throughout the entire exercise. Imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine to prevent any sagging or arching in your back. Finally, walk down slowly. Once you've reached a challenging position, slowly walk your feet back down to the starting position, reversing the movement. Beginner tips: start slow. If you're new to wall walks, start by taking small steps and gradually increase the distance as you get stronger. Use a wall. Find a sturdy wall that can support your weight. Listen to your body. If you feel any pain, stop and rest. Remember, consistency is key. Start with a few repetitions and gradually increase the number of sets and reps as you get stronger. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself, but always prioritize proper form over speed. Wall walks are just the beginning. There's a whole world of bodyweight shoulder exercises waiting to be explored. Here are a few more to add to your fitness arsenal. Pike push-ups, which target your anterior shoulders and triceps with this challenging variation of the classic push-up. Handstand holds, where you build incredible shoulder and core strength while improving your balance and coordination. And of course, plank taps, challenge your shoulder stability and core engagement with this dynamic plank variation. These exercises can be modified to fit your fitness level, so start with easier variations and gradually progress to more challenging movements as you get stronger. Remember, consistency and proper form are crucial for seeing results and, honestly, for avoiding injuries. You have the power to transform your body and mind through fitness. It all starts with a single step, a commitment to yourself and, a willingness to embrace the challenge. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Don't be afraid to start small, celebrate your progress, and never give up on your goals. Imagine the feeling of accomplishment as you conquer a challenging wall walk or master a new bodyweight exercise. Visualize yourself with stronger shoulders, a more sculpted physique, and unwavering confidence. This is your journey, and you are capable of achieving incredible things. So what are you waiting for? Lace up your shoes, find a wall, and let's unleash your inner strength together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comments what other fitness topics you'd like to explore. Until next time, stay strong and keep pushing your limits.